Hey guys, I have a very exciting video for you. I finally found a company that has a 5th generation Cascadia skin, Ozark. I wanted to do a video on them, and the mod pack had a 5th generation Cascadia, and they have one in real life. So, let's listen to the Detroit before I get into all the details of what we're doing today. Sounds so good. So good. So good running. Yeah, it's your standard 5th generation Cascadia, digital everything, Here's the back, standard like a 4th gen. Ooh. Sits low, but hey, can't complain. I will say this. Put that out. Today there will be, I want to use all the digital stuff, so no top corner mirror. And I'm liking this, like the side view thing being right there where the rear view mirror would be. I want to use it all. Now, their truck in real life has cameras. Some other things I'm doing today. I have full emergency brakes on. I wanted to make this realistic to the new 5th gen. It no longer has air brakes, they're all electronic. This is a cool truck. And we are going from Memphis to Knoxville, Tennessee, hauling flour. It is a 311-mile trip. We will take I-40 the whole way there. I am excited as crap to finally be able to do a 5th generation Cascadia. Like, the only thing I will say about Freightliner's digital dash, I don't exactly care for the layout. But that's everyone's opinion. Oops, wrong button. And cycling through it, yeah, I prefer Kenworth, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie. But hey, either way, everyone has their opinion. Let's get into it. So, first was the trailer. I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration of what the full detection is on the Freightliner Cascadia. Also enabled lane assist. It's gonna start beeping. Truck's gonna come to a stop and set the hazards. It's gonna become annoying, but realistic. I feel like this mod, this skin, was designed to work alongside the enhanced Freightliner Cascadia mod. Make sure I don't hit that truck. We're good. Before we go, I forgot to look. Let's set my brakes. We'll check. There is a weigh station. So, I'm going to be honest. I don't know what their laws are for their tandems. We may get a ticket. If we do, whatever. I am excited though. Like I said, lane assist, full emergency detection brake. Should be fun. I wanted to do all the features. Now, I feel like if American Truck Simulator could get down with their emergency detection, it'd be better. It overreacts sometimes. Overcorrects. Brake slam on. It's not necessary. Well, before we go on the interstate, I'm going to roll down my windows. We need to listen to this Detroit. Doesn't really have a Jake brake. I'm gonna let it go one more time, the Jake. I think it's because I'm in low gears. Roll up my windows. But, man, the Jake, I feel like it takes forever to activate. Maybe it's a mod that's broken or something, but I will say these digital cameras are kind of cool. At least Ozark will get the full freaking package of all the new stuff on the Cascadia. Check over here. get her done. Slow. Oh, I forgot to set my governor. I guess we're gonna be running past 65. We'll just do 65. We'll say it's on. Video come out Sunday. It's Friday night. So yeah, I'm using the Coast to Coast mod. I've been getting some comments about it. It's a free mod off of Modland. Yeah. So you can get it for free off of Modland, Coast to Coast. I think you do. It is required that you have some DLCs. Like California's free, but like Wyoming, Montana, Oregon, Washington, some of those. So yeah, just keep that in mind. You have to check the description because each version is different, but I have all the DLCs that have came out so far. Yeah, so I'm caught up. Yeah. Honestly, I know I yap about how much I love Kenworth over Peterbilt. Now that I've seen the new 589s, I love the 389s to 379s. Now, my favorite, like Peterbilt, has a 379. I would pick a 379 over a 389 any day. Gonna be honest. So I do like Peterbilt's kind of, but it's only a 379. I really hope we don't get pulled into sales. I don't know the tandem laws, so if we get a ticket, I'll just slide my tandems forward. Take the $1,500 ticket. There's nothing much I can do, or they'll let us go because they're good Samaritans, but whenever they won't. Not to do that. Let's see. There's no. They did. This public's just talking crap. There's. Ooh, lane assist. That's jerked. Jerked up. Oh, it's a rest area too. I was like, why are cars pulling into the freaking way station? Doesn't make sense. No, we're going through Jackson. It's a way station in Jackson in real life. Sure. There is. Yeah. Yeah, Ozark's big up in Tennessee. Man, this truck looks good. Okay, so I just noticed something. We weren't doing 65, but some companies allow you to do 70 for a few minutes. So we're gonna say we did our daily use of 70 miles an hour. So now we're back out at 65. Can't go past 65 unless you're going down a hill, and it's not for me. I can get behind this truck. Should have checked. Let's see how lane assist does. I do not have my hand on the wheel, and it is. Okay, it actively steers the truck, kind of. That's cool. That is cool. I know the new Fords have lane assist. They'll keep you honest. But yeah, it's a fun trip. This truck's getting 6.2 miles to a gallon. I don't know if that's good, but that sounds good. 6.1. So 6 miles to a gallon. The old Cascadia got like 4. That's pretty cool. I heard this truck can get up to like 10. Or 8. Close to 10. 8. With all the aerodynamic stuff. This truck kind of has, it's like the mid-tier of aerodynamic. Well, I'm gonna let y'all listen for a bit, and when I think of something to talk about, I will bring it up. should be going into Savannah, Tennessee. I'm kind of familiar with Southwest Tennessee. So we went through probably Jackson through probably around Savannah. There's a town in between. I forgot the name of it. I've never been to Memphis. I've visited Tennessee. I don't know everything about it. So yeah, we're going to Knoxville. I don't think I've been to Knoxville in my life. I may have. I don't know. I've been to Smoky Mountains. Those are beautiful. It's the first mountains I've ever been in. My hair's popping. What is happening over here? Oh, it was a billboard. I thought there was a truck wrecked. Oh my. So, I can pour it out now. So, on the freaking T680, it'll have like a number that the cruise is set to. It just puts a little dialogue thing for your... Ooh, it's screaming at me about one out of my lane. It just puts a little yellow arrow. I don't really care for that. But everyone's got their personal opinions. I guess the dash ain't that bad. Purple Freightliner coming up next to it. Let me get over. If this dude will get past me. Walmart billboard. Oh yeah, he's gonna cruise past me because I'm calling a little container. Oh yeah, he don't got nothing. No, actually, I don't. Why am I trying to get over? That car in front of me got off. Or not got off, they took off. So far. This generation's so cool. I guess we're going through the Nashville area. That's what it looks like. Such a nice You know what, I just realized this truck doesn't have the Ozark thing on the roof. That's okay. No, the real life one does, but this one doesn't. Not that big of a deal, huh? Knoxville. Except 4B. Such a cool truck, guys. I'll turn on like time zones eventually, or sooner than later. I'm gonna go ask the ChatGPTs how I can make my game or my truck feel more realistic, like more bouncy. Because real life, these roads aren't. This truck isn't a pallet; it bounces you around. Also didn't check if I had any drive time, so I'm not getting warned about it, but I know now that I bring it up, it's probably gonna bite me in the butt. Mandatory breaks in 8 hours. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh yeah, because yeah, remember. After this video, I'm gonna be busy until about Wednesday, so with that being said, I gotta film 4 videos, because I got a video. I came home from vacation a day early, so I have a video that was supposed to come out tomorrow. But yeah, it's a cool video. I liked making it. I want to. Well, it already freaking be out because this video's coming out Sunday. Peterbilt 389. It's a cool video. Look over here. Look around the Capitol. The town's coming up now, our city. Cooks. So we're halfway between Nashville and Knoxville. Stiff neck, I need to look around. The purple semi. I didn't know what kind of trim package Ozark does, so I just did a full black one. I will say I now know where the fire extinguisher is. When you say put it in the standard spot, it's right under the seat next to you. Their car next was kinda. Usually on the aerodynamic piece below the actual trailer where the cargo is, it says drive4ozark.com, I'm pretty sure, but it doesn't say it on this trailer, which ain't a big deal. I'm not here to criticize mods and be specific. Yeah, it's still cool that this mod's out here, so, you know, I don't expect, you know, perfect. So 53 miles it says until Knoxville, so we're getting close. We're going to the UPS. Keep looking at my actual mirror instead of the camera, but it doesn't matter. Get in the back, you know. Truck's doing 7 miles a gallon right now. Their diesel, 7.8. Oh my. That's awesome. Look over here. I see that there's a Peterbilt next to me. And I can see that. Ooh, got on my lane. Alright, he's right next to me. I get over because I think. So, man. Yeah, I think I can get off up here. He'll get by me. Might have to get off my cruise so he can go by me. Make sure there's no one next to me. Get over. I'm so used to looking at mirrors. And now, you douchebag. Now that I get over, you want to get out from underneath me. Jesus, man. Come on. Now, I don't have to look over there as much because there's nothing happening. Still a good habit to look over there, but I don't necessarily need to because all the traffic's going to be passing me. Have I been riding in the... No, I've been in slow lane. I haven't been fast lane. We're getting off of here too. So, a little Tahoe passing us. Jakes. Jake's doing good. We're at 8.3. That is your Jake brake on the all-new 5th generation Cascade. Why did that dude get off just to get back on? I swear to God, that's the same truck. That is your, but like I said, that is your Jake brake on the 5th generation Cascade, and I forgot to turn it off. Don't go, Peterbilt. It's a nice big area. What's it screaming about? Probably a pole. It is a little sensitive. I didn't realize this was multi-lane. I should have gotten this lane. Why is it? Oh, so just gonna tell you. Well, pretty much at the end of this. But most hazards right there wasn't me. So the truck, for some reason, I guess when I turned, because I got close to a pole and it turned on it, it tried to do auto. Why'd I get in this lane? It's over here. Was it paying attention? There's a blink. There's a, not a blinker. Stoplight. It's almost tragic. It's also my fault. I shouldn't have tried to turn in that curb. Corner. Not a curb. A curve, not a curb. Huh. Yeah, so the hazard thing, that wasn't me. That was, I guess I triggered it. 379 next to us. I guess, pull in here. Oh, do not take out the back tires. We are good. Alright, where do y'all want this? What a dog. Oh, that's right. I could do that. Learned a thing or two from backing up in the past. I kind of want to go in the middle. So, ooh, yeah, perfect. I'm actually going to slow down. I don't have to worry about hood mirrors, but I do not want to kiss the hood with the wall. Screaming at me. I know it's right there. I know. Don't worry. We're good. Let's see auto. I have it set to full detection, not vehicles only, so I'm surprised it didn't slam on my brakes right there. I may have to straighten back up to this dock. That kind of looks smooth, I will say, because I've learned in past videos how to do this. Let's see. Oh man, it just got away from us there. That was almost perfect. Yeah, she got away. There's no saving that. Here. Just slam brakes there. Sometimes the camera's not always the best. Sometimes it's nice to use the actual mirror because it's bigger. Man, still. We're close though. I'm only got to pull up a little bit to fix it. And I'm going to pull it up a little farther. Now, a professional driver will probably be laughing at this, but this is a game. I'm not trying to impress anybody. I just play the game. Also, any company ideas, go ahead and comment those. You should also like and subscribe, because this is what I always upload, is truck sim or Euro truck. It's always different. And with that, I thank you for watching. And comment, like, and subscribe like I just said. And yeah, see you later. See ya.